All right, guys, so JasmyCoin is getting wrecked right now. We dropped at least 33% of the day in the last 24 hours. We are currently trading at 0.01961. Now, the market cap has taken a huge hit here, only sitting at 969 million. So we're going to see if the trading volume or the charts itself is able to hold and we're able to see some kind of recovery, or if Jasmy is heading even lower. So let's break it down in the charts here for you. All right, so starting off on the daily time frame here, Jasmy has lost the essentially 38% of our Fibonacci, which was our secondary level itself, and we're seeing the sellers take control of the marketplace. We're seeing a lot of bearish indicators here, starting off with the RSI dropping closer to 29%. Now, this could possibly be in oversold territory, but I'm not going to say it quite yet until we see a dip even further below 20%, and then we're able to see some type of recovery then. If we do take a look at some of our other indicators, here's the crossover below our signal line for our RSI, also our MACD indicator. We see our K and our D lines cross over in a negative space, and of course, momentum itself is going down as well. As we take a look at the CMF indicator, so this kind of shows us if there's any buy signal or any sell signal and who's kind of dominant in this section. So as we can see dated back here on January 19th, it's all been negative. So we can see the dominancy in terms of the sellers itself. As for the price may hold here, we do have our volume profile, which kind of measures the volume in terms of dollar amounts, and I am going to over exceed it here of February 17th, almost a year ago, kind of taking a look as to what our clusters are and our volume. So as we can see, the price is approaching these larger volume nodes here, which is treated as areas of resistance and areas of support. So if the price does move away from one cluster, it is going to seek the next area of larger volume for our supply and demand. So we can see a roughly around 0.021 could possibly be an area of support, coming down to an area of resistance and support to 0.017 here. So we may be able to find support in this cluster. If not, it's going to rely heavily on our 23% of our Fibonacci level. Now, taking a step back into our weekly time frame, the situation itself doesn't look any better here. Jasmy has broken down through the 50 moving average, which moving averages are treated as support and resistance line, and we're seeing very bearish candlesticks as well. When we take a look at our CMF, we can clearly see that the bears are taking control here and momentum is still building up in terms of the bears. Now, if we take a look at the RSI, we may be coming into oversold territory, but until we see price kind of react about this bottom level here at 0.017, then we may be able to take a look at our analytics to see if there is going to be a recovery there. But that's kind of what I'm thinking here for Jasmy. If we're unable to hold in this area of cluster, then most likely price is going to come back all the way down here, possibly. We'll see. We'll see. But let me know what you guys think down below for Jasmy. We have been kind of holding on long hopes here. We did see that pull back nicely coming up to that 50% here, but without enough buyers and enough volume, we're unable to break through this descending trend line. But let me know what you guys think down below here. Is Jasmy going to deep even lower, possibly to that 1 cent here? Or do you think that's going to spark some buyer interest in hopes that the price does pull back? But let me know, guys, down in the comments. Like and subscribe as well, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.